back to Pennsylvania. You betcha. Right, T-minus 9.5 hours or so without stops.
To that effect.
Good day. See you there. Well, I'll probably show you something else on the way, but not likely. Somebody's got a friend. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
Don't crash.
I'm not crashing, I'm videotaping.
Oh, you're gonna lose them.
We have a change in heart.
Okay, Steven, no.
Can I do that? I don't know if I'm even getting you. So dangerous. I just want you to keep talking to her, or talking for her. Alright, fine.
There, it looks like it's
You're gonna
really
have
stuck.
to know that you want it. Do you want to get it off?
Yeah, we're
You
trying
need
to
to
clean
change it, I
out.
suppose.
You have to redress. So you haven't had it redressed since Wednesday. Probably should have done it.
Yeah, because now it's all going to stick to you.
Can you soak it in water? Or not yet? You have to keep it dry. Because if you can soak it, then that makes it come off a lot easier.
Mm-hmm.
So they didn't take you to
Where's the stitches at? Are they right up here on the top?
So you would take QPMC.
I want to accidentally cut off your stitches.
Yeah, no.
Well, this is going to be hard to do because I don't know how much it hurts you. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, it's got to come off.
Lift your hand up once so I can see what I'm doing. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Oops.
Don't talk about it. Hey Carson, make me your best man.
Hops in the little hole.
What?
Who's you marrying?
Someday.
Got the
Not
sharp
now.
little baby teeth.
Not next year, but someday.
Time to go home. Ready to go, I think. I'm tired.
Tired.
Yeah, I'm tired. I thought about taking a nap on the way back, but then I downloaded a whole bunch of YouTube videos to watch.
Why are you tired?
I'm tired. Gonna get groceries, I guess. So that we have food to eat. It's always necessary to document new drinks so that I know if I like it or not. And what you doing?
Got it.
I have it. I guess I'm gonna have to taste it in a moment, so never mind, you can hold it. I wasn't sure why you were doing that. This is organic apple cider vinegar all natural drink. I've been using lots of apple cider because it's good to kill candida. And this flavor is limeade, so it's got stevia in it to make it sweet. So we'll see how this tastes. It could be really gross or it could be really good, or I don't know, I guess. It smells like apple cider vinegar and lime.
That's disgusting.
It's good. It's like limeade with a little it's good. You wanna taste it?
It's nerve-wracking.
It's not real. It's not.
Doesn't taste like apple cider vinegar?
No. I mean, a tiny bit.
Oh.
It's mostly sweet.
Smells awful.
No, it doesn't.
It's interesting. It's not bad. It smells worse than it tastes.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
I will stick with my ginger ale. Thank you, William. I dropped some. You're like, it's getting better and better. It's so weird to be able to sleep in my own beds again. Are you wearing gloves? Oh, that's good.
Am I wearing gloves?
Yep. Are you wearing gloves?
Yep.
Well, why are you wearing gloves, Kayla? That's
Got a
not-
garden as soon as we wake up.
You got a garden as soon as you wake up? I was thinking like skiing gloves. I don't even use gloves for gardening. That's so silly, one Kayla. Gonna go put the laundry away in the laundry machine and the other stuff. Yeah. And then sleep. We'll see you tomorrow, probably. Good night. You get a bonus feature today. So I went to get the laundry changed over, and I get down to the bottom and I see something. I'm like, that's not what I think it is it? What do you think I thought it was? Kayla? What do you think I saw? In the bottom of the washing machine? Do you get a guess?
Headphones.
Headphones? Nope. Worse than headphones.
Your phone.
Nope.
Your phone.
Nope. 3 guesses, you striked out. I was like, is that a mouse? That better not be a mouse. It was a mouse.
Yeah.
That's disgusting.
It was probably. Was the washer open?
No. No, the washer was shut. I don't know where it got into the clothes. Because, I mean, those were all closed from the conference.
No. Before the first time you went down, was it open?
No, like, it was closed when I went to put the clothes into the laundry. So I don't know where it came from, but there was a mouse dead in the thing. So I took all the clothes back out of the dryer and put them back in the washer because I'm like, that's disgusting. So I'm rewashing the clothes.
Was it squished or something?
It was squished. It was wet and squished and...
No, but what is it, like, guts everywhere?
No, really.
Why are you washing the clothes for?
Because, they need it.
Okay.
They need to be sanitized.